welcome to my channel Villageskills. In this video I am going to show you how to make tricolor Rakhi easily at home. Friends, this is my 21st Rakhi design. If you would like to see my previous 21 videos, please check out the links in the description box below. I hope you will find this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Villageskills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then please hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. And please follow my Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest accounts. Like us, my FB page facebook.com/villageskills. Let's get started. Now tricolor beautiful Rakhi is ready. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Villageskills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then please hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. If you would like to see my previous videos, check out the links in the description box below. Follow us on my Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest accounts. Like us, my FB page facebook.com/villageskills. And please give your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon with my another new video. Until then, keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.